The first thing you need to do in your DNS settings is you need to delete your existing DNS settings. So we're going to go in here and click on the little red trash can button. So in your DNS settings, you can see that you've got these Squarespace defaults. You'll be able to add the first DNS setting with no issues, but when you go to connect this second A record, it will not work unless you've already deleted these guys. So we're going to first go ahead and delete those. And then we're going to add a custom record according to the information that Canva has given us. So this is the first one. So we're going to add an A record like this. And I put 30 minutes here, mostly just because I'm impatient, but I don't know if it really does anything. And then we're going to add our second one, which is the www, also an A record. Oops, what am I doing? And lastly, and again, this second A record is the one that will not work if you haven't deleted those two records that were up there at the top. Yay. And then our TXT. So we're going to copy the value. It's the little @ sign. It's the TXT type, which is way at the bottom. And there you have it. And now everything will be up and running. It can take up to 72 hours, but I haven't had it take that long. So just be patient and your website should be up and running soon.